So, assalamu guys, how are you? I'm fine. So today I am playing Modern Warship, Modern Warship, and today I will tell you how to how to upgrade your ship for starters that they don't have any much money for upgrade the ships, and they have no money for buy some new ships. So today I will tell you tips about how to upgrade your ship and buy the cannons, missiles, upgraders. First you can go to equipment and missiles up. Then you can have this one. I have one. You can buy this one. It is 6 missile launched one time, Korean missiles. And from cannons you can go up, and this cannon is high damage and 57 millimeters range. So this is I prefer you to buy this. And for helicopters you can go up and you can buy this one. So I can buy, but I can buy, but it is it is not a good one because it has only one fire machine and only two missiles. So you can take this one. This is much better than this one and low price. Okay, I have got it. So the ship you can set, you have to now go and buy a ship. I can buy this one, it's in my range. Now I want to upgrade. Now I want this cannon. So I will search, go to ship, and it can used by install item. Now I can go back and put this. Oh, it won't level. It's not the level. I can put the airplane. What's happening? So I can't buy. If you have another ship to, if you have another ship to, that it can uh, able to agree to put the all cannons, missiles, and helicopters. So this can able it. So I can put install the missile I have. I can put install. I will install. Now go to play. This one ship. For starters, you can buy this one ship. This is only 250 lakhs. Now go back to battle. Now it started battle in 7. The battle has been started. Okay. Go. We can go and fight all enemy warships. No, I watched the ship. Now we can fire. Look, it gives if 3000 damage. Oh no. Missile launch. Look. 6 missiles. 10,000 damage. These tips can help you. He's launching too much torpedoes to me. Ah, I can. Oh no, I am dying. So guys, you have watched. These tips are very useful for beginners, and you can use these tips to uh, be rich. So I have now too much money, but not too much, only 4 lakhs. And I upgrade my ship because I am also a beginner. So I think that this video was helpful for you to play Modern Warship for beginners. So Allah Hafiz.